Rubber man ball?
Hell yeah, just
look at the watermelon. Dude, we broke our table. Look at my table. I'm here with my good friend Eamon. As you can see in the background here, we have a watermelon. We both decided to do the exploding watermelon challenge. And we also have a pound of rubber bands over there. So I hope you guys enjoy this challenge. And let's see if we can explode this watermelon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
You don't know how this watermelon feels right now. Just want it to pop.
Alright guys, we just came back from a quick run to the nearest store. We got another half a pound of rubber bands. Let's see if we can make this thing explode. Oh yeah, oh hell yeah.
Oh, it's mixed. Oh, look at this. These are impossible.
Again with the safety.
Like small, big ones. There's any pops right here. It said 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Oh my god. Yo, that hit me in the chest. Yo. Somebody broke my table. Cheers. I'll go warm, man.
Huh?
I'll go warm,
It's a
man.
good one. No, it's not. Yeah, oh.
Oh my god, my stomach. That shit hit me in the stomach. Yo! Look at this. Rubber band ball. Oh my god, dude.
What?
It blew up. Rubber man ball?
Hell yeah, just
You're the watermelon. Dude, we broke our table. Look at my table.
What happened to this?
Look.
Holy shit. Look at this one. Like, there's nothing on the sides.
This thing exploded. Look, we got watermelon all over the grass. What do you have to say about this?
It tastes good.
Alright guys, as you guys saw, the watermelon exploded in half. It got us in a big surprise.
I was not expecting it.
This is a rubber band solid ball aftermath. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was a great entertainment for you. And yeah, share this video with any of your friends. Like this video. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.
We'll be right back.